What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Wallmaster Garage Storage System. You guys, this is going to be an interesting review, okay? Now, the thing is, I do have bikes. I had bikes hanging up there on hooks, but in this system, they will be up there in like a hoist situation, all right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. This should be good, especially for your kids, depending on your kid. I have older kids, so from 10 years old all the way to 15, 16, you know, nephews and stuff like that. So this is pretty interesting. Now you do get two in this pack. Okay, these swivel out, so you can hook these to your handlebars, and then you can hook the other one, I believe, to your seat. So you should be able to, I saw some pictures on some reviews, and some people actually put some wood on their joist or their stud, whatever you want to say. I've seen some people do that, or you can just try to find your stud or joist, put it on there. So these go and rotate, so that's nice. Okay. They give you some screws right here. They do give you your rope. It don't look like it's too much to this. And we got the main ingredient, the instructions. That's the unboxing, you guys. Now it's time to get to the install. I'm actually anxious to put this up. I had this for almost 2 months now. I just never got a chance to get to the bikes. Links will be in the description. And remember, I bought this like 2 months ago. So if something is wrong, I can't return it. All right. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so I am about to put the bike hoist up. Now, here is a few things that you have to keep in mind is what's on your wall, how much is your wall covered. With that being said, I can't put it this way because my cabinets and my shelving is in the way when I put the puller down for the hoist. So I'm going to put it this way, all right? Going from here to this side. Now, the only thing that's in my way is the shelving right here, but this is a wired shelving. So I can put the rope right through one of these wires right here, and I should be good. I'm letting you know what space you need so you can actually utilize this thing. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have to get some spare wood, in which I have spare wood in this corner up here. Always have spare wood on you. You won't regret it. With that being said, my joists or my studs, they run this way. Now, since I'm putting the bike this way, I have to put a piece of wood this way, all right? It's hard to explain, but just for the simple fact on the way this is designed to go on your stud. Let's say my studs is running this way. I need to make it go this way. And as you know, this will be just screwing in straight drywall. So with that being said, we can't screw in drywall like this, you guys. I wouldn't even recommend using anchors, all right? I recommend using a piece of wood and run it across your stud. So yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about when I'm done. When you release for your bike hoist, so this is the part where you put your rope on so it can just, you know, it's like a tie. It's supposed to be a tie, right? So this is what they give you to tie your rope. When you're done pulling, you tie your rope around this, and then that's it. I don't know why it's so hard to read studs on this daggone ceiling. So that's a stud. I could see it because I cut for it. But there's no stud right there? All right, it says it's a stud here, you guys. It better be a stud right here. If not, I'm gonna be very upset with the builder. And my laser level just dropped. All right, you guys, I finally figured it out, and it took me over an hour to figure this thing out, you guys, and it's frustrating. But now I have to redo what I was planning on doing. I know I sound a little down, but don't worry about that. I was just doing this for a couple hours, so I'm frustrated. Okay, so basically, instead of doing it on this side of town, I'm gonna be on this side of town. So I have to take all my RC cars down and this shelving right here. I think I need to take that shelving down. We will see. I will try to put the bike up I think the wheel or the tire might get in the way, so I might take that shelving down, put that shelving somewhere else. But I have more studs on this side than I have on this side. It's like they didn't put no studs in this little area right here, so a lot of this is hollow right here. So why, I don't know. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into some cuts, put up the wood, put up the hoist, put up the bikes, and in the review. Got our piece of wood. Now this piece of wood is fairly thick, you guys. I believe this is decking wood. I can't remember. All right, you guys, so, oh, y'all can't see me yet. All right, you guys, so this is not in the directions. This is high as I can get y'all. I should have made y'all a little wider. I probably can, but y'all give me a second. My studs are running this way. I'm putting my wood this way, all right? That way, I can have something to tie the hoist to instead of it being just on plain drywall. You don't want to put it on plain drywall, you guys. And if you do, you'll find out why you don't want to put it on plain drywall. I'm going to do it gentle because I don't want to split the wood. If I split the wood, it's over. Well, not really over, but... Guys, I'm so happy right now. I can't even tell y'all how happy I am. This calls for a celebration. I gotta take the kids to Chick-fil-A or something. Go ahead and do the rest of our directions, you guys. All that hours of wasted was my personal problem. All right, so I don't know if I'll edit out my personal issue. Should I edit out my personal issue? So I could, maybe y'all might run into the same issue, so I might leave it up there. Or I might do two versions where I take out my personal issues. Now we back on step 3. All right, use the 2 holes. We got our 1/8 inch, you guys. So we have our 1/8 right here, 1/8 drill bit. We are going to pre-drill a hole here. With this mechanism right here, this part goes towards the wall. All right, you guys, so the side that we tied as a knot has to be on the end over here. Can I tie one more knot? All right. These some nice screws that they gave us. You guys, this was a long install. I'm almost out of my battery. All right, so we just left step 3. Now step 4 says thread the rope through the pulleys as shown. All right, so you have to follow this diagram and thread the rope through the pulleys. So it goes under the hook, over the standard one, like that. And then we stay just like that. Stay with me, stay with me. We're going over this one. And then we have to go under the other one. Now you have to go underneath of your hook. And then you gotta go over. And I'm not sure about this last part because, oh, you know what? I think I had a head strap. I should have put y'all on a head strap. Maybe I'll do that on the next one. And then inside of this hole right here, hopefully it fits inside this hole. All right. All right. Alrighty. Interesting. This is so much fun, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I just hope I'm doing this part right. Right now, I'm just pulling all of my rope, you guys. Don't worry. When I find my head strap, y'all gonna see the next one. I'm gonna do a nice quick video. Okay, so the thing is, how do you release it for both of it to come down is the question. So I'm assuming the weight of the bike will bring it down. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to put it all the way up. I think the weight of the bike, I think I did too much. All right. This is actually fun, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Once I figure this thing out, I'm gonna put it all the way down, then I'll figure it out once it's down. This hoist was a day's worth of work because of my personal issue I had up here with my piece of wood. Other than that, if you're going on your regular stud, you guys, this is not even a 30-minute hookup, okay? So don't mind the long video. Let's see what happens. All right, ladder, don't fall on me. That's all I beg of you. Oh, shoot. This stupid thing is in the way. Oh, you guys, I forgot to take the dag on shelf down. Let me see. Let me just test it out. Hook it up on the back side of the seat. This get hooked up to the handlebar. Put this back on the seat. Wow, what you need to be super strong to pull this? I don't think I hooked it up right up there, you guys. Oh, but it came back down easy. It is definitely not easy to pull up. Let me get some gloves. Let's see. Yeah, I have it too close to my wall right here, but I have no choice. I will have to move it that way, which is not a problem because I could split it half on that and be good. So that's not too much of a problem, but it is rubbing against my wall right here. So yeah, it's hitting my wall, you guys. I can't do it like this. All right, you guys, I just installed that. I was actually over here, so the stud is more over this side. So I believe the stud may be crooked. It is what it is. That's how it is when you're looking for this stuff. This looks a little crooked right there. Let's move this over just a tad. There we go. That's straight. All right. Now I can wind it on this bottom piece. Oopsie. There we go. Almost fell on my head. All right. And that's it, you guys. You can wind up all of your cord, in which this is a lot to wind up. So, in my opinion, they should have made this a little bit bigger. So if this rope ever go bad on the first half, you definitely will have enough to rethread all of this rope. You guys, I'm still going. Like, look at this. I am still going. Still going. This is enough rope to lap this or do this hook all over again. So this is way more rope. So they should have made this a little bit bigger. So if you do have another like hook or something, then you could leave it on there. All right, you guys, we are finally done with the bike hoist. You guys, this right here is the coolest thing ever. I don't know why nobody ever told me about this. I don't know why I never searched this up. Whenever you look up like bike garage stuff, they got the stuff that like hang on the wall, and I don't want to hang my bike on the wall. I mean, it may be easier to, you know, put it down and put it back up maybe, but I actually like the bike hoist better. Now, this is easy to bring it down. It's very easy. Just make sure you hold it onto that rope. Now, when you're pulling up, you have to have some strength. I advise you to get some gloves. I have these Gorilla gloves right here. I got these from Sam's Club. It has like a nice little grip to it. These are some good gloves to have, but something with a good grip. That way when you're pulling up, it's not that much of a struggle, and you won't hurt your hands when you're trying to pull it up. This is one last thing. I am 5'8", you guys, and I'm walking under pretty okay. It's about, I would say, I would say about 8 more inches. I would say 8 more inches of clearance when it comes to walking underneath the tire. If you tall, then that's something you have to watch out for. Other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we have new cool products coming to the channel. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.